Hey there, my fellow food lovers. As a registered nurse and self-proclaimed weight loss expert, I'm here to tell you that your mindset is very important when it comes to dropping those extra pounds and feeling your best. I want to tell you about an interesting study. Some researchers wanted to know if our perception of exercise affects how our bodies look and feel. They wanted to test the placebo effect on physical activity basically. They chose hotel maids as their test subjects, because let's be honest, those ladies are always on the move. But here's the kicker. Despite all the physical activity they were doing on the job, most of the maids didn't consider themselves physically active. In fact, 2/3 said they didn't exercise at all. Which is ridiculous, considering they burn more calories than a marathon runner on a treadmill in a sauna. Anyway, the researchers found that the maids' perceived amount of exercise matched their physical measurements, instead of their actual amount of exercise. So, they decided to change their perception by telling them how many calories they burned doing the daily cleaning tasks. Lo and behold, after a month, the educated maids had lower blood pressure, they lost weight and improved their waist-to-hip ratio. Basically, they got healthier and lost weight just by thinking they were exercising more. This is like a miracle pill, but without the pill. You can eat all the chocolate you want, as long as you believe you're losing weight. It's like magic. Jokes aside, this means that recognizing the physical nature of our busy jobs, as well as ordinary tasks like housework, grocery shopping, and playing with our children, can help us get more health benefits from these activities without actually increasing the amount of physical activity. A positive and healthy mindset is important because it will assist you in achieving your weight loss objectives more easily. This applies to both physical activity and those green smoothies you are drinking from time to time. Believe in yourself and your healthy habits like they're the missing ingredient to your secret recipe. And who knows? You might just end up with the body of your dreams, or at least a slightly less jiggly version of your current self. If you're constantly telling yourself that you'll never look good in those skinny jeans, then you might as well just surrender and embrace the sweatpants life. On the bright side, having a positive mindset can work wonders. Believe in yourself, my friends. Imagine yourself already rocking that bikini, and you'll be one step closer to making it a reality. Now, let's talk about emotional eating. We've all been there, stress eating a whole pint of ice cream after a bad day at work. But guess what? That's not helping anyone, except maybe Ben and Jerry. Instead, be mindful when you eat. Savor each bite, listen to your body's signals, and try to avoid inhaling an entire pizza in one sitting. If you have a slip-up, that's not the end of the world. Just enjoy the moment, don't stress over it and get back on track the following day. Now, let's dive into the 5 ways to improve your mindset. 1. Be present, grateful and mindful when eating. By being mindful when eating, you can fully enjoy your food and pay attention to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. 2. Challenge negative thoughts with positive affirmations. For example, when you think, "I'll never lose weight," remind yourself that you're capable of making healthy choices. You just had a salad a couple of weeks ago, instead of fries. Didn't you? See, you can make healthy choices. 3. Set achievable goals. Don't aim for the stars if you can't even reach the ceiling. Start small and build your way up. Even if you add just one portion of vegetables a day. That is progress. 4. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate even the smallest of victories, like taking only a slice of cake instead of the whole cake, and use them as motivation to keep going. 5. Surround yourself with positive influences. You know what they say, you are the company you keep. Consider joining a weight loss or fitness group, or following inspiring health and fitness accounts on social media like myself. 6. Recognize the physical nature of our busy lives as exercise, not just chores or simply work. It might do wonders for your weight and your overall health. So there you have it, my friends. With a positive mindset, realistic goals, and a bit of humor, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to do some push-ups. Or maybe just watch some cat videos on YouTube. I will burn calories either way. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked the video.